What is the area of a triangle that is formed by the y-intercept of y equals negative 1/5 x squared plus 20 and its x-intercepts? So we have to do a few things here. We have to find the y-intercept of this equation as well as its two x-intercepts since it's a quadratic function. It's going to be an upside down parabola. So just to give you an idea of what we're really doing, our shape is going to look something like this. And here is the y-intercept. There will be the two x-intercepts, and we basically want to find the area of this triangle. So basically, in order to do that, we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. This length will give us the base. So whatever x value we get here, and we subtract it from whatever x value we get there, that will give us our b value. And then this perpendicular height will just be the y-intercept, just the y value for the xy coordinate of the y-intercept. So it's pretty straightforward. What we should do here is first set things equal to 0 to figure out the intercepts. In this case, it's already in intercept form, and so the y-intercept is kind of a gimme. It's just 20, and that's kind of nice. So at this point, we'll label it 0, 20. Now, when we try to find the x-intercepts, that is when y is equal to 0. It's on this line, the x-axis, or when y equals 0. So we can set the y equal to 0 and basically solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. I'll then get rid of the negatives by multiplying both sides or dividing both sides by -1. Now multiply both by 5 to get rid of this denominator. And now we'll take the square root of x squared, and on this side take the square root of 100. Now remember, when you take the square root of a number, it turns out to be the positive and negative versions. So x in this case will equal positive or negative 10, because positive 10 squared is equal to 100, and negative 10 squared is also equal to 100. So now we have our x values. Here will be 10, 0, and here will be negative 10, 0. So again, using this equation, the base then is going to equal 20. Like I said earlier, 10 minus a minus 10. And then the height is also equal 20, which is given by this x-intercept. And so the area will be 1/2 20 times 20. These cancel out and this becomes 10. So 10 times 20 is 200, which is also the final answer. So for these types of questions, when they give you some kind of graph, whether it's quadratic or linear, make sure you do draw a picture. It tends to make things a lot easier when you're able to visualize them. Then come up with a game plan. In this case, we are already given the y-intercept, so all we really have to do is find the x-intercepts, and we can do that by plugging y is equal to 0.